Welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we are stepping into the magical world of tulips, those radiant flowers that have captured hearts and colored landscapes across the globe. Stay to the end to learn how you too can grow these stunning beauties right at home. Did you know tulips originally came from Central Asia and became a symbol of love and prosperity in countries like Turkey and Netherlands? During the 17th century, tulips were so valuable that sparked a financial craze called tulip mania. Imagine flowers more than gold. The secret starts underground. With healthy, disease free buds, plant them in the fall so they can rest through winter and burst into color by spring. Tulips love well drained, sandy soil with a touch of compost for nourishment. Avoid waterlogging, soggy soil is their biggest enemy. Place bulbs 6 to 8 inches deep, pointed side up, and 4 to 6 inches apart. Cover with soil, water lightly, and let nature do its magic. Tulips don't demand much. Just avoid overwatering and feed them with a mild fertilizer after blooming. Simple care, stunning results. Keep an eye out for aphids and bulb rot. Ensure good airflow and use natural repellents to keep your flowers healthy and happy. When spring arrives, harvest your tulips early in the morning for best quality. They're always in demand from florists to weddings. Make tulip farming both beautiful and profitable. Tulip farming is more than just growing flowers. It's nurturing joy and creativity. Whether it's a backyard patch or a full scale farm, these blooms never fail to inspire. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow nature lovers, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more inspiring stories from the world of farming. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and let nature brighten your world.